When constructing a post-frame building, the foundation isn't just important, it's critical. A high-quality foundation is the key to creating a structure that endures the test of time. That's why investing in robust, innovative solutions is a decision you can't afford to overlook. Let's be honest. Everyone knows the durability of a typical post-frame foundation is quite limited, even with regular and costly maintenance. But what if there was a way to extend that durability exponentially while eliminating maintenance concerns and saving on long-term costs? Introducing Eco-Foundation Solutions. Revolutionize your post-frame building projects with Eco-Foundation Solutions, a groundbreaking, eco-friendly system engineered for strength, durability, and sustainability. Our product line includes Eco-Column, elevates wood posts above ground, preventing direct soil contact and eliminating decay for unmatched longevity. Eco-Skirting creates a durable barrier to shield post bases from moisture, pests, and environmental wear. Eco-Footing delivers exceptional load-bearing capacity, offering unparalleled stability and strength for your foundation. Crafted from high-density recycled plastic, our Eco-Foundation products are designed to endure harsh weather and environmental pressures for centuries. Like the plastics they're made from, these solutions resist degradation for 400+ years, offering a virtually maintenance-free foundation that stands strong for many decades. Eco-Foundation solutions don't just protect your building, they protect the planet. By utilizing recycled plastic materials, we reduce landfill waste and ocean pollution, creating a cleaner, greener future with every installation. Choosing Eco-Foundations is more than an investment in your building. It's a step toward environmental responsibility. Contact us today to learn more about Eco-Foundation solutions and take the first step toward a stronger, greener foundation for your projects.